Oh, no, wait. Mom says only one piece of candy a day.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
But I have a gazillion pieces of candy in my bag. It'll take me a gazillion days to eat them all. And by then, I'll be very old, and the candy will be very yucky. I better eat it all now. Yum, yum, yummy, yum, yum. That was so good.
Gee, I hope Cowbella doesn't get a tummy ache from so much candy.
I hope she doesn't get too much jumpy energy.
I hope she doesn't find my secret hiding place.
Look at me! I'm a princess.
She's a princess. Whoa, my hat.
Look at me! I'm a fireman princess! I'm putting out the fire!
Hey, whoa.
Look at me! I'm a fireman princess leading a parade!
Hey, yeah, it is. Whoa, whoa.
Look at me! I'm a superhero fireman princess leading a parade!
Oh, great.
You're funny, Cowbella.
Yeah, you should be on TV.
I think it's the candy.
When do we start?
I want cookies.
More tea, Miss Sweet Pea Pennywinkle.
Oh, no thank you, Lady Cowbellingsworth. I've had quite enough.
Jolly good.
Lady Cowbellingsworth. That's funny.
Yeah.
Come on, you guys. It's supposed to be a fancy tea party. So can you stop laughing for no reason?
But that was funny.
And you shouldn't talk with your mouth full either. And Apollo, you shouldn't eat with your fingers.
It's our tea party, Cowbella. Can't we just do what we want?
No, because,
I mean, would it really be so bad if I did this?
Yeah, and would it be so bad if I shoved all these cookies in my mouth? Yum, 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 yum.
And would it be so bad if I bounced around like this? Boing, 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 boing.
you guys! Guys! This is completely...
That was the loudest burp I ever heard, Cowbella.
Amazing.
Yeah, it was a pretty big one. Bedtime bunny!
Parsnips. Oh, what? Oh, yes, Cowbella. What did you do today?
Oh, wow! We went to a really great party!
Just nod yes or no. Did you get a goodie bag? Ah, and was it full of candy? Now we're getting somewhere. And did you eat all of it before bedtime? You did. She ate all of it? Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Cowbella, candy is a once-in-a-while food. When you eat too much of it, you don't feel well at all.
Oh, it'll be okay, Cowbella.
And I'm so sorry that I ate all that candy!
Is it over?
Yep, I think so.
Oh, good. Cowbella, let's try to calm down together, shall we?
Okay.
All right. Everyone follow me. Now, close your eyes just like me. Then take a breath. Think 1, 2, 3. Blow out your breath. Think 1, 2, 3. And dream a happy place to be.
Oh, I feel so relaxed and sleepy now. Thank you, Bedtime Bunny.
This is gonna be such a great banquet. Oh, Pajanimals! Welcome to Storybook Land. But you should always be careful not to shout at people. It's not very good manners.
We're sorry, but that's exactly our problem.
Yeah, Grandma's coming for breakfast tomorrow, and we don't know any manners. Whoa, food! Ha!
Squacky, you should always ask before taking food when you're a guest. And be sure to say please. So you don't remember any manners? At all?
Not at all.
That's not good. But you have come to the right place. As king, I must always use good manners with my loyal subjects.
Why, King Edwin?
Because they follow my example, and good manners makes the meal more enjoyable for all.
Then can you help us, Edwin?
Of course. So please come and join me at the table. First things first, let's sit up straight. Napkin on our lap and food on our plate. Elbows up the table, listen to the king. That's me. Manners matter to everyone and everything. Manners matter in whatever you do. Manners matter, they should matter to you. Manners matter, simple words are the keys. Thank you, you're welcome. Excuse me, please.
Can I slurp?
Can I burp? Can I play with my food?
No, you may not. That would be rude. It's not nice to interrupt when someone else is quacking. Talking with your mouth full sounds more like squawking.
Manners matter in whatever you do. Manners matter, they should matter to you. Manners matter, simple words are the keys. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, please.
I won't eat with my fingers.
Yeah, food can be messy. We'll use a knife and fork to keep your eyes clean and dressy. Can we eat fast?
No, chew quietly and slow. And ask to be excused when you get up to go.
Manners matter in whatever you do. Manners matter, they should matter to you. Manners matter, simple words are the keys. Thank you, you're welcome. Excuse me, please. Thank you, you're welcome. Excuse me, please. Thank you, you're welcome. Excuse me, please. Squacky, that's a shoe.
I know. I was using my imagination.
Good idea, Squacky. Let's get more ingredients. Here's some flour. And some butter.
Here's some sugar.
And more eggs.
Whoa, yummy! So, what kind of cookies are we making?
Oatmeal cookies. I think we should pretend they're chocolate chip cookies, because that's the kind Mom always makes. But what about trying a new kind of cookie? Nope. I don't like trying new things.
5 more minutes till bedtime, Pajanimals.
Okay, Dad.
Squacky.
I'm going. My imagination was just hungry. That's all.
Good night, Pajanimals. Sleep tight. See you in the morning light.
Night, Mom. See, Daisy Puff? It's all part of the plan.
Oh, Pajanimals, I almost forgot. Do you know what day tomorrow is?
Oh, I know. It's Friday, Tuesday.
No, it's Saturday. Pancake Day. I love pancakes for breakfast.
Well, for a special treat, we're going to have waffles instead. Good night, everyone.
Waffly waffles! Oh, I love waffles.
Yep, I'm gonna put butter on mine.
I'm gonna put butter and syrup on mine. Wow.
But I want pancakes for breakfast. We always have pancakes for breakfast on Saturday, and I don't like it when things change.
But maybe you'll like waffles.
I don't like trying new stuff. It makes me feel nervousy. I like it the way I like it, and that's the way I like it.
Sweepy Sue, do you need some help?
No. Well, maybe. Yes.
The royal waffles. Who shall be the first to step forward and try one?
Me!
I will.
But, Sweet Pea Sue, it's not pancakes.
I know. I'm changing the plan to try something new.
Way to go.
You can do it.
Well?
I love it! Oh, it's so...
Waffly good?
Yes! Oh, I'm so happy I tried something new. If I hadn't tried it, I would never have known how much I love waffles! Oh, come on, guys, let's go home. The sooner we fall asleep, the sooner I can have more waffles for breakfast. Ha! Thank you, Edwin.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Edwin.
Bye-bye.
Bye.